Hello students, this is NCERT Maths 8th class book and chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaterals. We will see next property. The diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. Okay. Now to understand the meaning of the property, we will first focus on the terms which are here. These are rectangle, then diagonals of rectangle, and that is of equal length. So we will understand the meaning of this property, but before that we will see what is rectangle. Okay, we already know that rectangle is a special type of parallelogram. Okay, we already know that in any rectangle, as this is a parallelogram, why this is a parallelogram? First we will check this. For parallelogram, what are the properties of the parallelogram? First of all, the opposite sides should be parallel to each other. So in rectangle also we know that opposite sides, here AD is parallel to BC and side DC is parallel to side AB, right? So this is a parallelogram because the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Next is diagonals. Okay, so diagonal DB intersect at point, let's say O, intersect with the other diagonal AC. Okay, so this intersection point is their bisecting point also. Okay, so length AO is equal to CO and length OD is equal to OB. Okay, so this parallelogram, definitely this is a parallelogram where the opposite sides are parallel to each other, then diagonals bisect at intersection point, then the opposite sides are equal in length. What does that mean? That AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to DC, right? So this property is also satisfied. Then we know that rectangle has 90-degree angle, right? So the opposite angles are also of same measure, and that is 90-degree. So angle D is equal to 90-degree, angle B is 90-degree, angle A is 90-degree, angle C is 90-degree. So this is a parallelogram, and a special case in parallelogram we call it a rectangle, and we have all this property of the rectangle. Now what we have to show, that we know that the diagonals bisect at their intersecting point, but here in this special case, that is a rectangle, we have to show that the length of the diagonals is also same, equal length. Till the time we were knowing that, if let's suppose this is a parallelogram, so till the time we were knowing that the intersecting point is the bisecting point only, right? So this diagonal has equal length when they bisect at point O, right? But we haven't proved yet, or we haven't showed that there is such parallelogram like rectangle where the diagonals are also of equal length. You can clearly see here that this diagonal PS is not equal to PQ, है ना? We were only saying that this intersecting point is bisecting point. They equally distribute this length in two, है ना? This also equally distribute the length of the diagonal. But in the parallelogram we have a special case, that is rectangle, and where we have to show that we have to show that DO and OA are equal. मतलब these four bisecting things, this line OA, OD, OC and OB are of equal length. That is what we have to prove. Okay, so here what they are saying is, now what things we have, first we have to check that ABCD is a rectangle, and looking at these two triangles ABC and ABD, okay, separately we have taken these two triangles separately, okay, and we have written here, and we know that these two triangles are congruent to each other. Why? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Why? Because AB is the common side, है ना, we both the triangles have common side. Then BC is equal to AD. See here, BC, this side, and AD are equal. Why? Because in parallelogram the opposite sides are of equal length. So rectangle is a parallelogram, so we can clearly say that AD and BC are equal. And measurement of angle A is equal to measurement of angle B is equal to 90 degree. We also know this, that in rectangle, in parallelogram we know that opposite angles are equal, but in rectangle we know that each angle is of 90 degree. So angle A and angle B are of 90 degree, right? So here we can say that by side angle side criteria, we can say that AC is equal to BD, that diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD, and hence we can say in a rectangle the diagonals, besides being equal in length, bisect each other. That we know that this bisect each other, as this is a parallelogram, this definitely bisect each other. But this is the special case where diagonals not only bisect but diagonals are of equal length in rectangle, right? Hope you have understood this.